Today, I'm going to answer all your questions about this wireless charger wake up light. I'm going to show you how to put it together in just a second and anything you possibly want to know about this. So let's take a look at what we get right over here. So this is the pieces we're going to get right over here. So we have this, and this. This is going to be the base. You could actually charge devices on this. So you could charge a cell phone, you could charge your wireless earbuds, anything like that. Everything is labeled really nice. So you'll see here we got some grooves over here. What we're going to want to do is kind of push it over here a little bit. And then we want to pull that tight just like that. So we want it to be tight. And you'll see here, everything is labeled. This is going to be your snooze button. This is going to be your clock settings, alarm 1, alarm 2. We got the sound, and then this is going to be our dial over here. You get 12 different dials. And I'll get everything in a second. So we're just going to take this part off now that we could see that. And then we're just going to get this plugged in. I'm going to tell you how it sounds. All right, real quick, I want to show you. So you'll see here, I have my phone in a case right over here. We just place it over on this right over here. You can see it's charging right away, which is really, really nice. There's just note, if you're just doing your phone, you probably aren't going to be able to do another device. If you want to just do your headphones, they will charge as well. You'll see it just went off just like that. So let's get into a little bit more. So we got this part right over here. This is going to be your actual light. So you could just tap it just like that. You got a couple different settings there. You'll see the time right over here, which I really like. I like the fact that this touches on. So you don't have to worry about a remote or anything like that. You literally could just touch it. If you're not ready, like as soon as you get up, you could see. And then if you really want some light, you could do that. So this is going to be like good for a night light, stuff like that. So to get the sound going over here. All right, so we're gonna go over how to set the time here. We're literally just gonna hold this down just like this right over here. We're going to see this blinking. Now we're going to use this right over here to change it. So you'll see it will change from AM to PM. If you wanted to, you got to circle it back around. Right now it is on AM right over here. So if you wanted to go to PM, it's about to be 12 o'clock right over here. I could easily just put that just like that. Then we're going to hit this top button right over here. And then we have the chance to adjust exactly what this is right over here. So I'm going to put this at 12 just like that. So it's super easy to set this up, which I like. And then when you hit that, it has that little tone. That means it's set. To set the alarm, we're going to do the same thing right over here. We're literally just going to hold that down, and then we're going to adjust it however we need it to be adjusted. And then it follows the same exact process right over there. And then we're going to hit that. And you could select the sound right over here if you wanted to do that and what volume it's going to be at. So you could turn it down if you wanted to, or you could turn it all the way up. It goes up to 12, as you can see right there. I'm probably going to go around like a 3. 12 is way too much for me personally. So then once we kind of have that situated, we're just going to hit that, and then we're good to go. So now we're set, and it's going to play at that level. So you could also set it to however you want. We got this nice little touch over here as well. Really easy to set this up, like I said earlier, and the instructions are super clear. Like, it tells you everything you need to do. That's how I kind of did this. You literally, all you got to do is literally just plug it in and you're kind of ready to go. It was super easy to set the time. I do like the fact that this is tap just like that. It will do a good night light if you wanted to read or something like that. I think this would be the right setting for you, and you could just tap it off. You don't have to worry about fumbling for a switch or adjusting this at all. You get 2 alarm clock features as well. You could do the volume up to 12 if you wanted to do that. There is no extra cable over here. So if you wanted to like plug in a charger or anything like that, but that's also because you could just charge the device right onto here. So no real need for an extra uh charger or anything like that. So if you're looking for a nice wake up alarm clock that has 3 different light dimming settings, has 2 alarms, easy to set, has a nice wake up, could do a timer of 30, 60, 90. Definitely check this out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.